This is the fastest way to make money with DeepSeek AI Bot. We are talking about making $200 per day with this AI Bot. Hey dears, welcome back to Market Show once again. If you're looking for the fastest way and reliable way to make money online, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to make $200 on a daily basis. Use DeepSeek AI Bot. Whether you're a beginner or you're already familiar with these AI tools, this step-by-step guide will help you to unlock the earning potentials of DeepSeek. Before you go very further, really, do you know what DeepSeek is all about, the AI Bot, and what it can do? Do you know? If you don't know, let's get started. DeepSeek AI Bot is a powerful tool that can help you automate tasks, generate content, and even provide data analysis. But now, how can you get this AI Bot? Most of the people so far, they are not talking about it, but the 1% already making money with this AI Bot. The DeepSeek, this is a Chinese AI Bot that it really has amazed me, and I've seen from research and even from me myself how I did pilot on and I did a survey. It can give you enough money. It is so perfect. How do you get it? Before I tell you on how you can use it to make money, the way you get it, you can get it direct on your Chrome, and you go and put DeepSeek AI Bot, or you can even go direct to your you can go direct to your, if you use from the Play Store, or you can get it from the App Store. DeepSeek AI Bot is a powerful tool. It can really make you do a lot of things, as we're going to see today. So the second step, we are going to see about how to break it down, and we see how really can we break this DeepSeek AI Bot and we make the money. We can make it money by offering freelance services using DeepSeek. One of the fastest ways to make money with DeepSeek is by offering freelance services. For example, you can use bot to write blog posts. You can use it to write articles or even social media content for clients. You can create resumes, you can create cover letters or business proposals. You can automate customer support, or you can even do data entry tasks. Platforms like Upward, then we have Fiverr, then we have there is also Freelancer. These are great places to start with, especially when you want to use this AI Bot. They can charge, or you can charge $20 to $50 per task, and with just 4 to 5 clients a day, you can easily make $200 in a day. The second step, what you can use this DeepSeek AI Bot to get $200 is to start a social media management business. Social media management business is very highly demanded right now, and DeepSeek can make your job so much easier. Use this bot to generate engaging captions and even hashtags. You can use the bot to schedule posts. You can use the bot to do a lot of things like analyzing performance metrics. You can offer your services to small businesses like me, even influencers who are in need of people like you. Here you can charge $200, $500 per month per client, and you can easily hit your daily goal of $200 if you get 2 to 3 clients. Now, the next way of making money with this AI Bot is to create and monetize a blog or a niche website with this AI Bot. Now, if we talk about this monetizing a blog, niche website DeepSeek can help you write high quality blog posts in minutes. I've confirmed it. You can start a blog in a profitable niche like tech, health, or even personal finance and education. You use this same bot to research trending topics, write SEOs, optimize articles, generate affiliate marketing, and even once you finish like this your content, you can get a lot of gains from your blogs. It can even bring for you heavy traffic, thus you end up monetizing it through ads and even affiliate links or sponsored posts. With consistency, this is a pro tip I can give you. Consistent effort, you can easily hit $200 per day. Another way for you to get money with this DeepSeek AI Bot is launch YouTube or podcast. Content creation is another great way to make money with DeepSeek. When I'm talking about content creation, I just smile. Write video. Imagine this bot can write video scripts for you, can write for you podcast outlines, even can generate catchy titles, descriptions, a lot of things. Research trending topics for your niche. You can find them on this trending AI Bot. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or even sell your own products. With just a few thousand of views a day, you can easily hit $200. Then we have selling digital products or services. DeepSeek can help you create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or even online courses. For example, if you use this bot to write an ebook on a trending topic, it can be very, very easy. So what you do, you can create Canva templates for social media. You can even develop main courses, and even use this AI Bot to create content and even generate features for you. Sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. With just a few sales a day, you can easily hit $200. Step 7, or the seventh way for you to make money with this DeepSeek bot, is dive into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is now a norm, and it is part of us. It is fantastic, and it is a very good way to earn passive income. You use DeepSeek to write product reviews and even recommendations. This one can create for you engaging email campaigns. It can generate for you social media posts. Even these social media posts can promote your affiliate links. Here, when we talk about affiliate marketing, I encourage you to join programs like Amazon Associates, Share Sale, or ClickBank. With the right strategy, you can easily make $200 a day. Now, having said all this, here you are, you guys. The first ways to make $200 a day using DeepSeek AI Bot. Whether you are freelancing, managing social media, or selling digital products, DeepSeek can help you streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings. If you found this video, you guys, I know it might be the first time for you to hear about this AI Bot, but this is very common. Please, if you found it helpful, put it in the comment section. And even if you don't know anything, please write that I don't know anything about this bot in the comment section. Let me know through your comments, such that I can get an idea to expand and even bring a step-by-step how you can access this bot, how you can use it, how you can even make enough money out of it. Thank you very much, you guys. See you in another video. Bye-bye.